how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a second contact number or phone number on your Facebook account in Facebook Lite App. Okay, so you can see this Lite App interface. So simply click here, three line at top right corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and once you click on that, then you will see here the menu bar, like menu option. There are some option, so scroll down little bit, then here you will see the option settings and privacy. Simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, then here you will get some option. The first option, personal and account information. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see here your personal and account information. So you will see four option here, but third option, it's called phone number. Simply click on third option, and then here you will get some option like current phone number, and below that you will see uh, add phone number. Simply click on add phone number, and then you have to input your phone number here. Click mobile phone number. Once you click there, then you have to type your phone number, and if you have to choose your country phone number code, so simply click change, and then you will get your country and mobile code. So set that code, and after that you have to give your uh, number there, and then they will send you OTP code, and you have to give that code, and that's it, and then your second phone number will be added. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for your use. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.